Welcome to the Fluid Exchange training video of the 2V700 covering the extraction of coolant. The tool comes with a number of accessories that allow for direct connection to the vehicle's cooling system or radiator. The tool can provide a complete coolant drop or system drawdown to work on top-level engine assemblies or just to pull a vacuum on the cooling system to exchange smaller water jacket components. Let's begin with preparing the coolant service tool for the job at hand. Check the level of any remaining coolant in the tool. Decide if this needs to be discarded. Close all flow valves and ensure the control manifold is in the center off position. Make sure all needed accessories are available and in their storage place on the tool. Connect a regulated air source to the tool of no more than 90 psi. Some tools come with an onboard air pressure regulator that can be set to 90 psi. Now to the vehicle being serviced. Remove the surge tank cap to provide venting of the cooling system. Locate the drain port or quick disconnect fitting on the bottom side of the vehicle's cooling system. Determine if a drain hose adapter or conversion hose is required and connect to the coolant service tool's service hose coupling. We will demonstrate the use of one of the drain hose adapters at the end of this video. Connect the tool's service hose coupling to the QD fitting on the vehicle. The vehicle's cooling system is now connected to the coolant service tool. Use of the coolant service tool for extraction. Connect your air source to the input side of the control manifold. Place the control manifold in the vacuum mode. You will hear air exhausting out the back of the tool. Watch for a vacuum in the tool to begin to form at the dial gauge. When a vacuum of 10 inches of mercury has formed, you can open the flow control valve at the top of the tool's service hose. Coolant will begin to flow from the vehicle into the tool. You will visually see the coolant through the short sight tube on the tool service hose. After a short period, you will also begin to see the level of coolant in the tool's tank begin to rise through the tank's sight tube. Watch for the vehicle's coolant to be completely extracted by seeing streams of air bubbles in the tool service hose sight tube. Close the tool service hose flow valve and move the control manifold to the center off position. At this point, a full coolant drop has been reached and all the coolant has been extracted from the vehicle's cooling system. The coolant service tool can remain connected to the vehicle or be disconnected. Use of the Freightliner drain hose adapter for connecting to a vehicle's cooling system. The Freightliner drain hose adapter allows for the connection of a Freightliner vehicle that has the nipple-style drain port instead of a quick disconnect fitting. The Freightliner drain hose adapter comes in two hose sizes, 3/4 and 5/8, for fitting over the nipple end of the vehicle's drain port. Slip the open end of the drain hose adapter over the nipple drain port and secure with the included hose clamp for a complete seal. Open the vehicle's nipple-style drain port as prescribed via the vehicle's OEM specifications. Connect to the quick disconnect fitting end of the drain hose adapter to the tool's service hose coupling. You can now use the tool as you normally would. At the end of the vehicle's service, disconnect the tool's service hose coupling from the drain hose adapter's quick disconnect fitting. Close the vehicle's nipple-style drain port as prescribed by the vehicle's OEM specifications. Remove the drain hose adapter from the nipple end of the vehicle's drain port, being careful to capture any residual coolant in the short section of the drain hose adapter.